Digital signatures are another important cryptographic technique we would like to share with you. They are used for authentication of the origin of transactions on the blockchain. They enable the receiver to verify that the transaction received was originally sent by the sender using his or her private key. This process again includes mathematical calculations. Surprise, surprise, the world of blockchain is made of mathematics and computing power. Basically, the digital structure is generated out of the sender's private key being processed through a digital signature algorithm. The resulting code output is then attached to the signed message and acts like a signature. It identifies the sender of the message. Each transaction has a different digital signature generated through the digital signature algorithm to increase security. It is impossible to generate a valid signature for a party without knowing that party's private key. Please note that we use the words transaction and message interchangeably here because transactions on the blockchain are basically messages broadcast through the network. When you send cryptocurrency to another person, you are basically sending them a message. Furthermore, digitally signed transaction methods are unforgiable, meaning they cannot be intercepted and modified or reproduced while in transit. Digital signatures are also non-reusable. They cannot be separated from a transaction message and used for a different message, given that the algorithm creates a new signature for each transaction. To conclude the topic, let's put these cryptographic solutions into the words of the great Satoshi himself. We define an electronic coin as a chain of digital signatures. Each owner transfers the coin to the next by digitally signing a hash of the previous transaction and the public key of the next owner and adding these to the end of the coin. A payee can verify the signatures to verify the chain of ownership. All right, we are doing great. We covered some important topics involving a great deal of multidisciplinary science. The good news is that most of this science has been built into the Bitcoin architecture in an elegant and effective way by Satoshi, so that the system runs smoothly. The only thing you need to take care of, personally as users, is to protect your private keys. Please make sure you fully understand the importance of this for your own financial health if you decide to deal with cryptocurrencies. Now we are ready to move on to the next brilliant engineering solution that powers Bitcoin: consensus mechanisms. Stay tuned and see you in our next lesson.